Arriving at the El Centro Naval Air Force Base. Annual air show kicks off the Blue Angels, and they will be flying here, according to news reports, despite the sequestration that's actually going to ground the Blue Angels from some of the air shows for this year, if not all. So at least they still fly for this one. We'll be able to see them. There's the church on the El Centro Naval Air Force Base, the chapel. Actually has a cross on it, so that's a good thing. Seen some military chapels that doesn't have any kind of cross or emblem at all anymore. This is the back end of the airplane. I've never seen anything like that. That is cool. This is the B-17. You can see the back end here. They actually have a fighter or a shooter sits back here towards the back end. No kidding. Alright, thanks. Wow.
Let me have your hat. I'll keep your hat. All right.
Hang on, let's wait a minute, let the people clear through.
Wow. Ow. Oh. Now look at that, right inside the cockpit. This is awesome. You gotta be thin. My big sombrero is an obstacle. Another gun here. Another gun here. Alright. That's awesome. Point helicopter, of course, and the ambulance. Alright. He just landed. Look at that. Woo! Trying to land on top of the truck.
About an 800 to 900 pound aircraft. that aircraft are made out of fabric. That's very normal for aircraft that era. But people are surprised.
Look at that.
Not a metal covering on the aircraft. It's fabric. Now, Kent's got it. Looks like he's nailed down there. We see the rudder kicking out pretty good. He's got some good wind, but he is exactly on the landing. Oh, he's back up again. Now, trying to find his speed there. Watch the rudder on the aircraft constantly moving around. And our winds up here just
Look at that.
Okay, folks, this is going to be really, really touchy with these winds. We'll see how Kent can do this. A little bit off the top there, a little bounce on the front. And it looks like, oh, he's got it. Oh, he's got it. I think he's got it. I think he's got it there. He's got it. Now look, the tail is still floating up in the air. He's still got aerodynamic authority on the tail. Let's see when he lowers the tail on down there.
Trying. There it goes.
He's got it nailed.
All right.
Coming down. Truck's flowing. How about that, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah. Woo!
Starting to add full power on the
Now he's
aircraft.
taking off.
Let's see what happens next. And he's up.
All right. Once you were alienated from God, and now He has reconciled you to Christ's physical body.
The helicopter laying down.
Woo!
Wow.
We're actually driving on the runway here. We leave the El Centro Air Force Base. There's one of the planes. Leaving the air show. Those who are wise will shine like the brightness of the heavens, and those who lead many to righteousness will shine like the stars forever. Lord Jesus Christ, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, hear my prayer for El Centro, the city that I'm driving to right now. I was here for the air show today, and now I'm heading out. I left a few trail marks behind, Christian evangelism as I travel. And God, I just pray for the people here and leaders, residents, visitors, that they may come to know you if they do not know you yet, and if they do know you, that they may continue to grow in faith and love and grace. Hear my prayer, Lord, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.